Hello everyone, how are you today? In here I will bring 6 application for the learning about technology. For the first one about Jamboard. What is Jamboard? Jamboard is an application developed by Google which is a digital whiteboard. How to use Jamboard? Okay, for the first one, go to links http jamboard.google.com, and the next start using with Google Jamboard. Getting start with Google Jamboard can be done by sharing a whiteboard for your student or business team to see and interact. For number 3, enter directly while opening Google Meets, then whiteboard option at the 3 dots in Google Meets. And the next one, I I I can about Padlet. What is Padlet? Padlet is an internet site that allow you and other users to collaborate on text, photos, links, or other contents. How to use the Padlet? For the first, create a Padlet account by clicking Set Up for free. To create a Padlet account, we can use Gmail. For number 2, create a Padlet by clicking Make a Padlet. After that, the desired whiteboard layout option will appear. For example, we choose the wall for the contents such as wall magazine and stream for contents that allow us to read from top to bottom. Number 3, the Padlet is ready and we just need to share the link for the finished Padlets to students. Number 4, to post contents. It's very easy. Just left click 2 times anywhere on the Padlet and we are free to write the contents. Okay, the next application about AdPuzzle. What is AdPuzzle? AdPuzzle is an incredible, easy to use video platform that helps teachers save times, boosts classroom engagement, and improve student learning through video. How to use AdPuzzle? For the first one, open the AdPuzzle application, then select a teacher account. The next, return to the AdPuzzle homepage. Number 3, select the My Class option or at the top. Then click the Add Class option to create a class name, the class as you wish. Okay, and the next application about Word Wall. How to use Word Wall? For number 1, create activity and then select one of the provided activity templates. Number 2, write down the title and description of the game. Number 3, type your contents according to the type of game. In some types, you are allowed to up image. For number 4, click done when you're finished. Okay, for the next application about Cider. What is Cider? Okay, Cider is great to engage your student in the decision making on the class. The online survey system allows you write an idea and then let your student collaborate at news one, giving instant feedback and the pros and the cons, and finally makes them part of the class. Okay, and the last application about VR glasses. How to use VR glasses. For the first one, prepare your Android phone are the main component in VR settings. Not all cell phones support VR modes operation, so first make sure that your cell phone support VR mode. The number two, prepare the VR headsets. Make sure your VR headset is working properly. Each brand of VR headset has different setting on how to use it. You just need to read the user manual for the headsets you have. Number three, download VR contents from YouTube or other application difficult and thing that need attention. Okay, for the application, for the sixth application, I choose two application, and for the number one, I choose word wall because the word wall is interesting for the learning. And number two, I'm choose for the AdPuzzle because the application, the activity or watching learning video for student is more interactive and involves student actively. And then thank you.